Richard GEISS solvent cleaners, supplied throughout the UK by EnviroTech Europe. GEISS is one of Germany's leading producers of sustainable surface cleaning formulations. The addition of GEISS surface cleaners to our product range offers our UK customers greater choice and flexibility. Renowned for consistent quality, sustainability and performance across a wide range of applications and industries. Per CPS is a high-purity recovered perchloroethylene solvent, stabilised for demanding industrial metal parts cleaning. Non-flammable with exceptional solvency power, it effectively removes oils, greases, lubricants and waxes from metal components. Its low surface tension makes it ideal for complex geometries, common across automotive, aerospace and precision engineering. Produced using advanced solvent recycling technology, it saves up to 71% in CO2 emissions versus virgin perchloroethylene, compatible with all standard metals and proven in closed vapor degreasing systems. RG Cleaner 63 is an aerospace-approved modified alcohol for industrial surface cleaning. Unlike hydrocarbon-based solvents, it tackles both polar and non-polar contaminants, including coolants, emulsions, salts, oils and greases, ideal for metalworking, precision engineering and general industrial applications with mixed contamination profiles. Formulated for high chemical stability at low toxicity, it prioritizes both operator safety and process reliability. Compatible with all standard metals and suited for modern vapor degreasing machines. Per CPS and RG Cleaner 63 are packaged in TLB safety containers, palletized double-walled units for fresh and used solvents, housed in solid steel casing. Designed for seamless connection to closed cleaning equipment, they enable emission-free filling and emptying while supporting secure solvent return for professional recycling. A reliable closed-loop solution for safe, efficient solvent management. For more information, please visit EnviroTech-Europe.com.